been reading a lot about Tolkien recently, about his love for mountains and trees and folklore from all around the world. And I'm making like a little documentary that will be released in August this year, so I'm doing lots of research on that at the moment. But in the meantime, I decided that I needed a little Tolkien-esque journey of my own, so I decided to take a ride on the Bernina Express. The tickets for the train are about €16, and to go in the panoramic coach, which I'd recommend because the glass has some kind of like anti-reflective thing on it, so you can get better shots. But obviously there's still some reflection. But to go in that carriage, it's like €5 more, you pay a supplement, but it's well worth it. I booked a seat in this carriage, but I spent most of my time standing up, looking out the window next to the toilet. I can get even clearer shots this way. The line, which opened over 100 years ago, departs daily from Trenino in Italy and terminates at the spa resort of St Moritz in the Swiss Alps. At its highest point, it reaches 2,253 meters, 7,392 feet above sea level, making it the highest railway crossing in Europe and the third highest railway in Switzerland.
I've seen all your qualifications you got from the Sorbonne.
St Moritz is a beautiful town in itself naturally, but it's a bit boring for me. It's just lots of fashion brands and Moncler and all these type of things. So if you're interested in shopping and doing some skiing, it's good. But with regards to seeing like old buildings and craft shops and things, which is what I expected to see a bit more of, there's nothing there. Or maybe I just took the wrong turn.
And when the snow falls, you're found in St Moritz with the rest of the jet set, where you sip your Napoleon brandy and you never get your lips wet. No, you don't. But where do you go to, my lovely, when you're alone in your bed? Tell me the thoughts that surround you. I want to look inside your head. Yes, I do. Your name is heard in my place.
Along the way, the scenery is stunning, but for me, the glaciers were the highlight of the trip. Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "It's not the destination, it's the journey that matters." And in this case, I wholeheartedly agree with him. So it was a great trip, seeing the glaciers and seeing how the mountains change throughout the day as the sun's going down. Really beautiful. I couldn't capture it all on camera, unfortunately, but hopefully as time goes on and I improve my equipment and my camera skills, you'll see even more incredible journeys. I'll be really grateful if you subscribe to the channel, because obviously this helps me and encourages me to make more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.